Thumb rules for power system design. First point, load estimation. Domestic load, 1 to 2 kW per house, typical average. Commercial load, 20 to 50 W per SQ foot. Industrial load, based on connected load times demand factor, 0.7 to 0.9. Always consider diversity factor 1. Second point, transformer sizing. Transformer rating is equal to maximum demand power factor. Thumb rule, add 20-30% spare capacity. Typical PF assumed is equal to 0.8 to 0.9. Third point, cable sizing, quick rules. Current carrying capacity. Copper cable 5 to 6 A per SQ.mm, aluminum cable 3 to 4 A per SQ.mm. Voltage drop limits. Lighting, less than or equal to 3% power, less than or equal to 5%. Short circuit withstand. Always check for 1 second fault current rating. Fourth point, Busbar sizing. Copper Busbar, 1 SQ.mm carries ~1.2 to 1.6 A. Aluminium Busbar, 0.8 to 1.0 A per SQ.mm. Temperature rise limit. Keep below 85 degrees Celsius. Fifth point, circuit breaker selection. Breaking capacity greater than or equal to 1.25 times fault current. Use MCB, small loads MCCB, industrial feeders VCB, SF6CB, HT systems. Sixth point, earthing design. Earth resistance. Substation, 1 industrial, 2 residential, less than 5 ohms. Minimum, to separate earth pits for safety. Seventh point, voltage levels, India standard. LT, 415 V. HT, 11 kV 33 kV. EHT, 132 kV and above. Eighth point, power factor improvement. Desired PF, greater than or equal to 0.95. Capacitor sizing. Approx. kVAR is equal to 0.5 times kW for low PF correction. Ninth point, short circuit level, quick estimate. Fault current, full load current percent impedance. Higher fault level, higher CB rating required. 10th point, substation layout thumb rules. Transformer spacing, greater than or equal to 1.5 to m. Clearance, HT yard, minimum 3 to 5 m. Separate, control room switchyard cable trenches. 11th point, diversity and demand factors. Demand factor, 0.7 to 0.9. Diversity factor, 1.2 to 1.5. It helps reduce overall system sizing cost. 12th point, safety margins. Always design with 25% future expansion redundancy and 1 criterion for critical systems. 13th point, lightning protection. Use lightning arresters at incoming lines transformer terminals. 14th point, relay and protection thumb rules. Coordination, upstream delay, downstream. Backup protection must always exist. 15th point, efficiency considerations. Keep losses less than 5% in distribution. Use proper conductor sizing, high efficiency transformers. Conclusion, it is very important. In real projects, please always cross-check thumb rules with IS standards like IS 732, IS 3043, software tools, ATAP, SCAD, top of form, bottom of form,